Welcome back to my channels, and for my new subscribers, thank you and welcome. Today I'm participating in the Salute the Red, White, and Blue Tablescape hosted by three lovely ladies. Fabulous Design on a Budget, Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and Shangie, Living Life to the Fullest. The rules of this collab was to showcase your red and white and blue colors and have fun with it. So here's my final look of my red, white, and blue Tablescape collab. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. As always, stay blessed.